Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Gmail password if you forgot that. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Gmail. So once you open your Gmail, so how you can find that, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the top right and click on Google account, and here you need to scroll and click on security. Once you are in security, you simply need to scroll and go into the password manager, and here you can find the option of google.com. Click on that option, put your password here of your smartphone, and here you can see that my password, but I'm not going to show you, but you can find your password also from here. So this is the process by which you can find your Gmail password if you forgot that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.